For many automakers, the current market is clear as mud. Production shifts are being proposed as tariffs are hitting their supply chains, and pricing and buyer behavior are such question mark that some have withdrawn their full-year forecasts. But one EV brand may have had the foresight to get ahead of the drama. Carscoops recently reported that Rivian has been quietly amassing a, quote, secret stockpile of key components since before the 2024 election. They say that because of this, quote, refreshingly proactive strategy, the California-based company is now sitting on a sizable stockpile of batteries. Bloomberg notes that Rivian has accumulated a stash of lithium iron phosphate batteries from a supplier in China called Goshen High-Tech. These are said to be earmarked for fulfilling orders for Amazon delivery vans. They say Rivian has also leveraged its relationship with Samsung SDI to import, quote, a sizable batch of battery cells from South Korea, which it needs to keep production on track for its new pickup and SUV. This is particularly key when you consider that just last week, Samsung SDI said a tariff war would make it more expensive to produce electric vehicles. Ultimately, says Carscoops, Rivian has bought itself more than just inventory. It's brought, quote, breathing room before it has to worry about raising prices. Speaking of raising prices, current plans from automakers appear to be all across the board. BMW is raising prices on some models, Hyundai has dropped its complimentary maintenance program, but GM, who says it will take a $5 billion hit on the trade war, does not anticipate increasing prices for its buyers. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.